Hello, the Chef George from the Event by George Catering Company. Today let's cook roast beef in slice. It's a beautiful and delicious recipe. Ingredients for the roast beef. We have beef base, onion, rosemary, oregano, salt and pepper, garlic, the beef, cloves, carrots, and celery. In a fry pan, we put the spoon of olive oil, extra virgin. We need to salt the beef. We add the beef in the fry pan to salt, and we add salt and pepper. Always salt and pepper in all preparation. We serve for everywhere the beef. When the beef is ready, served for everywhere, we put in the pressure cooker because I have a short time and I need that to be fast. We add all ingredients in the pressure cooker. We add the carrots, we add the celery, we add garlic, minced garlic, we add the onions, oregano, we add the oregano, the dry rosemary, cloves, and at the end, the beef base that we reserve. We put all ingredients in the pressure cooker for 30 minutes. After we finish with the meat in the pressure cooker, we slice the meat, and I take the hand blender and put in the pressure cooker, and this one is the result, the sauce. I put the sauce in the meat now, and I cooking a little 15 minutes with this sauce. After 10 minutes, look how the reduction for the sauce is beautiful. This meat is super tender and the flavor is incredible. Let's make the presentation for the client. Look how beautiful is the final result for the beef, roast beef. This beef is super tender, have a beautiful flavor, and is delicious. I hope that you enjoy, like, share. Your comments are always very important for us. And we made any kind of effect with any kind of food. Thank you so much.